Well, good morning. It's Monday, every Monday, and welcome to the Spaceman Show. We're basically back from a long weekend. We did some testing. We're working on some things. Most importantly, we're working on the Linux system, very important system, and basically SRR. It's called the Linux execution backbone. And what it basically does is it basically attests to make sure that our PowerShell, Shell, Bash, Python system basically is working. So that way we can basically run some code. Can't run code, you can't do anything. So we're making sure that we're doing this right. Sorry, there's a big truck in this way, coming this way. But anyway, that's what we're working on. Now, the other thing that we're going to be working on is we're going to be working on more than likely a 50-day challenge. This 50-day challenge, haven't exactly figured out what the schematics or how it's going to work out, but we'll get that all figured out. The 50-day challenge is more than likely either going to be an independent challenge of just SRR, or we're going to get this thing mixed up. We're going to throw in OpenClaw and Hermes, and we're going to have a 50-day triple challenge. People want to know how these things work, how they program them, and that's what we're going to try to figure out. Get under the hood, see what's under the hood, and see how they work. So that's the whole goal, and that's what we're basically going to be doing. Heading to work right now. If I sound like I'm a little bit out of breath, because I like to walk. Walking is good. But that's what we're going to be working on the 50-day challenge. We're basically going to have 50 different prompts. Those 50 prompts are going to do different things. Open up system, open up browsers, browser clicking, running different executables, different binaries. It basically showing you how Linux works. Most people don't know how Linux works. They're afraid of it. They think, some weird operating system. How does it work? Well, we're going to get under the hood and we're going to start showing you, but we're going to do it the AI way, because that's how we roll here at the Spaceman channel. So, hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like, comment. It's always good to leave some comments. I'll take a look at them. If there's anything that we've missed or anything that you'd like to see, send us a comment. We'll try to work on it and get it working. And just remember, right now, this is a live show. We're starting from the beginning, from scratch. So there's none of this playbook stuff where it's already made up. We're making up live as we go. We're trying to see how these old systems work with new systems, because not everybody has the best hardware. Some people have older pieces of equipment. Some people have new stuff. Some people want to know how their new stuff works against older equipment. So that's basically what we're going to be doing. We're going to take this old this old ThinkPad. ThinkTop, that's a good one. Sorry, I got a sense of humor sometimes, but we're going to take this old ThinkPad and we're going to see what we can get it to actually do. Because if you can do it on an older piece of equipment, then you can do it on a newer piece of equipment. And that's basically what we're here to prove. Testing older stuff to see how it works with newer stuff. And one of the most important things is we're basically going to upgrade. The goal was originally with this project was we're going to start it on an older piece of equipment, take the hard drives out, pop it into a new piece of equipment, and see how it actually really works. That's going to be the exciting part. So I'm very excited to see that when that happens. Don't know exactly what kind of system we're going to get. DJX Spark, maybe try to build a server, maybe a regular workstation. But anyway, almost where I got to be, but we'll do a follow up. And this is the Spaceman. Welcome to the channel. Talking to you in a bit. We're out.